Hey, my name's Jared. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the OasisSpace Bed Assist Rail. Now, this is exactly what we do not want to see as a therapist. A person climbing into the bed is pretty unsafe. What is a better scenario is using a bed assist rail like this to climb in and out of bed, pushing on it to assist with standing and transferring in and out. This bed rail is great. It has a storage pocket on the side and it is adjustable as well. There are non-slip stoppers on the bottom of the bed rail as well that helps to prevent it from sliding. Now the rail will fit king, queen, full, and twin size beds and does have a weight capacity of 300 pounds. It does slide underneath the mattress and it does work with an adjustable bed frame. The length of the bar that goes underneath the bed is about 3 feet, so it doesn't really need a strap to go around the bed, and it does a great job of not moving. It is adjustable and can be lowered and raised to meet the needs of a person getting in and out of the bed. Here you can see the individual getting up pretty easily using the bed rail. This is a great product to use, and I would recommend it to help prevent falls at night.